wait, what was I gonna say?
Little insecure.
The nicest fake boobs in the Northeast. You'd rather be in a thong bikini.
Do the Q&A.
Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
Is this light made so low?
Hot mess.
Option for this outfit. I got these shoes. I think these are so.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Sorry.
Okay,
Wait,
that's the way I said.
It wasn't necessary. And maybe you change your hair color a little too much.
Remember that?
Oh my god.
Hell, they also have a foot peel. Yeah,
That's not crooked, right?
here, as someone in their 20s.
It was good.
Brought a whole bunch of flavors home.